Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to solve a quadratic equation that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. And I am going to explain it in a way that is easy to understand even if you are just starting this topic. So what you have to do, you just need to grab your notebook and let's solve it together. So this is our equation that is written and I am going to solve you it in a 5 step. Okay, 5 step. Okay, first, what you have to do, you have to remember the standard form of a quadratic equation. What is standard form of quadratic equation? Look, this is this is standard form of a quadratic equation. You just need to remember it. Okay, and here coefficient A, coefficient B, coefficient C. Okay, so A, B and C are just number, and our job is to compare the given equation with the standard form and identify the value of A, B and C. So what is our original equation? That is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. This is our original equation. Okay, so here we will first identify 2x square, that is A equals to 2. It is a part of A. Okay, and it is a part of B, that is minus 7x, that is B equals to minus 7. It is part of B. C, if you compare from this equation, so C becomes 3. So 3, C becomes 3. Okay, so from this equation we got A equals to 2, B equals to minus 7 and C equals to 3. Got it? So what you have to do, you have to careful with B, because B's value is negative. It's negative. It's not just 7. It's minus 7. So you need to be careful. Okay. Now that we know the value of A, B and C, what is our next step? We have to use in next step, that is quadratic formula. Okay. Quadratic formula. You need to remember it. What is formula? Look, formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is formula. Okay. This formula help us to find the value of x in any quadratic equation. Now what we have to do? We have to put the value of a and b comma c. Okay, what we are gonna do, we have to put a comma b comma c's value in this formula. Okay, let us substitute the value of one by one. Okay, we already know the value of a comma b comma c. So what we have just to do, we have to put the value. What is the value of b? B is minus 7 and put minus sign outside the bracket. Okay, under root minus 7 square, that is the value of b, minus 4. What is the value of a? We already find out the value of a is equal to 2, so put it. And what is the value of c? That is 3, so fit, put the value. And what is the value of a? Okay, so let us understand what it happened here. In place of b, I wrote, in place of b, in place of b I wrote minus 7. In place of a, what I had written, that is 2. In place of c, what I had written, that is 3. And notice this carefully, because b equals to minus 7, the formula gives us, so the formula gives us minus 7. So a negative, a negative of negative becomes positive. Okay, negative of negative becomes, we already know, it's positive. Okay, you already know about. So this parts becomes 7. Okay, now let us simplify step by step. You never try to do everything at once, go slowly and carefully. So our equation becomes just like, what is the square of 7? We can write 49 minus If you multiply 4 into 2 into 3, what you will get? You will get 24. After that, what we had written inside the at the denominator part, that is 4. Okay, so let us see how we got this. That is minus 7 square, we got 49. We got 4 into 2 into 3, we got 24, and 2 into 2, that is 4. So now the equations become this. Okay, now we have to simplify. What is 49 minus 24 inside the square root? That becomes 25. So we will place 25 instead of 49 minus 24. So our job becomes more easy. Now we can write 25 upon 4. Okay, and we already know that what is the whole number of this square root? That is 5. Okay, so under root 25 gives us 5. So what we can write? Plus minus 5 upon 4. Okay, so this becomes our equation in a final format. Now we have reached a very important step. You need to know the symbol plus minus. This symbol plus minus means we will get to two answer. We will we will get two answer. Got it? This symbol represented. One answer will come from 7 plus 5, first answer, and another answer will come from 7 minus 5. So we have two answer. Okay, so let us find the first answer using the plus sign. So I am going to write that is a case 1. What is using plus sign? Got it? Plus sign. So x equals to 7 plus 5 upon 4. Okay, you already know that. What gives 7 plus 5? That is 12. Okay, so x becomes 3. Got it? And what about the second part? Case 2. Second part was our 7 minus 5 upon 4. Okay, that is 2 upon 4. You already know that 1 by 2. So x value another is 1 by 2. So this is the value, that is x is equals to 1 by 2. Now what is our equation? What is our equation's root? That is we got two root, that is x equals to 3 and x equals to 1 by 2. This is two roots. Now let us quickly check if our answer are correct or not. So we will put x equals to 3 into original equation. Okay, original equation. What was our original equation? That is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. So put the value of x equals to 3 instead of x, place of x. Okay. So 6, 12, what is minus 3? Okay. Minus 21 plus 3. Okay. No, it becomes 18. Okay. What it gives? It gives minus 3 plus 3. And what we get? 0. So it tells us x equals to 3 is correct. Got it? So it is correct. Similarly, you have to put x equals to 1 by 2. Okay? For checking it. Okay? So 2, 1 by 4 minus 7 by 2 plus 3. Now it becomes 1 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 3. You already know that denominator is same. Minus 3 plus 3 and we got 0. So both answer are correct. Both answers are correct because we got 0 when we put the value of x equals to 3 and 1 by 2 in our original equation. So let us quickly recap. Quick recap what we have did. What we did, sorry. Quick recap what we did. Okay. Five simple steps we will recall in a five simple step. First, you have to write the inequation in a standard format. Okay, you already know that. What about the standard format? That is x is ax square plus bx plus c. Second, you have to identify a comma b comma c. Third, what? Use the quadratic formula. Use the quadratic formula. Am I right? Use the quadratic formula. And after that, you have to substitute. You have to substitute the values carefully. Right? You have to substitute the values. And final and last step, simplify. Simplify and find the two answer. Find the two answer. You need to do that. Got it? Find and simplify two answer. Okay. So this is the five simple step. You have to remember it. Okay. I'm stopping my video here. I hope you enjoyed my video and you have learned the step how to solve the quadratic equation. Okay. Thank you guys. We will meet for another video.